Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be for my beginners, okay? I see you out there. I see the questions coming in. I see the fear. Like, a lot of you are so afraid to try wigs. I want you to know that you are capable. You can do this. Don't be intimidated by the little bit of tweezing. Don't be intimidated by sewing on the band. Just take your time. Don't worry. Believe in yourself first, set your mind, and I know you can do it. I feel like this is the perfect beginner wig for a few reasons. One, if you are a beginner not just to wigs and weaves but to color, this color is very subtle but sweet and will allow you to kind of like step out of your comfort zone without going like blonde or bright red. It's something subtle and nice and will blend with a ton of different skin tones as well as the length. This is a length that I think is very doable for most people, easy to manage, nice and lightweight on your head without being thin. Like, this does not look thin, it's nice and full still. It also emulates black hair, y'all. The texture is very close to like back in the day when your hair was like texturized and then you like blow it out and press it. Like, it just has a different feeling than that silky straight hair. But this feels more like our hair, which I highly appreciate, because then, you know, it tends to look more natural. It's a length that will allow you to play around. If you have an active lifestyle, you can do like a little cute pin-up situation here, you know, keep it off your face. As well as the company's kind of done a lot of the work for you in terms of the hairline and the whole bleaching of knots. If you're intimidated about bleaching knots, we're not even gonna bleach knots today. It's gonna be that easy, guys. Wait a second, hold up. If you are new here, welcome to the tribe, girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to actually join the tribe, as well as hit that bell, turn on those notifications so that you know when I upload a video. If you'd like to know more about this super easy beginner wig, then keep watching. So this hair is from omgherhair.com. You guys know I always have great experiences with them. They really keep it simple. There's no extra packaging, which is also great. Less things to throw out. So this is a lace frontal wig. What that means is there is lace that goes all the way across the front from ear to ear that's supposed to emulate scalp. Then on the inside where the lace ends, you've got these clips. Usually you have about 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. Those all help your wig stay secure, honey. So don't worry about that wind flying and knocking your wig off. So as you can see in the back part, on the inside, we have rows that are happening. That part's not lace. That is gonna be wefts of hair that are sewn on and attached to the cap. So at the front, you're gonna have all this excess lace. So take your time and cut it off. The hairline is basically showing you exactly where to cut. You're gonna cut right up against the hairline and follow the curvature. So once you've cut off that excess lace, you'll see that there's like 2 little flaps on the sides. Those are basically your sideburns. Those are going to sit in front of your ear. So now we're going to take a stretchy band. Now you can get these at your local craft store. Some companies will provide them with the wigs, but they're really easy to find. I think even Walmart sells them. And they come in a bunch of different sizes. I usually like to use like a 1-inch thickness, but it's not going to be a super big deal. I don't like to go any thinner than a 1-inch though. You can go thicker, but don't go thinner. And so you're going to attach it right where I'm putting my thumb. So the band, to get your measurement, you're going to measure from above your ear, around the back of your head, to the other ear. And of course the footage of me doing that got deleted, but I have faith that you guys understand what I'm saying, because you can visualize that that's where the band is going. So from the top of one ear, around the back nape area of your head, to meet at the top of the other ear. And it's just to help give you extra security. It helps your lace frontal lay down a lot more snug and flush to your head. So now you got your band on, it's nice and secure. We can put her on. So I've got my band in, and I'm usually like to do forehead to, like, I don't even wear a cap like this all the time, guys. Like 99% of the time I don't, but my braid up right now is so embarrassing. So you see the way I'm putting on the wig, this is what I meant. The band goes right behind the nape of your head. Flip her up and on. So this wig originally comes with a side part, but I'm not a side part person, so we're going to switch that up. We're going to part it down the middle. We're just gonna wet it down. And then we're gonna force the hair to go where we want it. So once that area is wet, you're gonna use your blow dryer, direct the heat right at the roots, and you're gonna over direct it into the direction that you want it to go until it is dry and light. Okay, so this is the part that I know intimidates a lot of people, is the idea of tweezing. So I'm gonna show you, they've already done most of the work for y'all. So you see right at the front, it's already kind of open. So we're just gonna go in and take just a little bit of hair at a time. And your tweezers, don't put them on the pointy way down, because that's how you make a rip. You know how your tweezer goes on that angle? You're gonna be using the angled side. So that flat angled side towards the lace. So you see the difference already? Just going down the line. You can do like 1, 2, 1, 2, like, and move your way along. And you'll be surprised how much hair actually comes out. I personally don't like to make an overly straight, perfect part. I like it to be in a straight direction, but then I kind of pick along the sides of the line, just so that it kind of looks more natural, because sometimes with your own hair, it's not really a perfectly straight part. So I try to emulate that. I also like that the lace on this wig is nice and thin. Now the last step is we're gonna take a little bit of concealer, not the lightest, brightest concealer that you have. We don't want that. You can actually do your own foundation if you like, depending on your complexion. If you are on the lighter side, yes, do a lighter concealer because you're gonna want it to actually show. If not, just take a foundation or a concealer that's like maybe like a shade lighter than your skin. And I like to use one of these little, it's not an angled brush, but something nice and small. Dab, just like a touch of product, like barely any. Look at that. This is the stick. I'm not even going into the actual bottle. I'm just taking whatever product is on the stick and lightly dab. And that just opens up the part a little bit more. It's great for those who aren't ready to bleach knots yet. The flap section is optional. It depends what you want to do. You can take this and flip it under if you're not ready for the gel life and you're good to go. Or you can watch my other video and learn how to lay it with gel and really get some baby hair going if you're ready for that next step. So we gonna just press her out a little. Once again, the wig already comes straight, so you really don't have to do a lot of work. You just have to help revive it from its travels. All right guys, there you have it, a super easy, beginner-friendly wig that honestly you will not have to do much to. You guys see how much I do to the wigs usually. I've actually don't really have any wigs that I just take straight out of the package and don't cut or color. That's crazy to me. I always do something to it. This time I didn't do anything to it, and I actually don't have a wig like this, so I'm glad that I do now. What else, guys? Well, comment below if you are a beginner and let me know what other things you guys struggle with. Yeah, let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that you guys know when I upload a video. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.